Today we're going to take a look at this beach tent from Elegear, and then I'm going to go through and show you how easy it was to actually set up. So in the box does come a lovely bag. Inside of the bag you will find the instructions connected to it, and then everything you need is wrapped up right here. So first of all, you just have to lay it out flat, and then you grab the two sets of rods with elastic and you just connect them all and create your two external rods. It does use an innovative external snap-on installation, so it really does make it super simple. Once you have these two set up, you just tie the middle and then you snap everything together. Now this tent is perfect for 4 to 5 people. It's a pop-up tent. It can be used at the beach, the park, a picnic, or even maybe a sporting event where you need that extra shade. Once you've read the instructions and set this up, it will only take maximum 10 minutes to set this up and set it in place. The external clips really makes the assembly setup super easy, much easier than other beach tents I've set up before. It is waterproof and UPF 50 plus, crafted from 190T double layer silver. And then there is some extra rods to set up the canopy. Now this canopy, it actually creates so much more shade and allows it to be open with extra ventilation. It does come with tie down ropes, and you will need to use them when you're installing that canopy. You'll have to tie it down as you're holding the rod up, and it does come with pegs for you to peg it into the ground, and there is attachments on all 4 corners so you can tie down the complete tent, so there'll be no issues with wind. There's 5 different ways you can use this. You can completely open it up as well. It does have a 360-degree ventilation design. You do have airflow coming from all sides, and you can open it completely up. Or on the other hand, you can actually shut it completely up and use it as a tent. It'll be completely sealed. This is really a versatile, easy to install, stable and multifunctional all-purpose beach tent. And as you can see, it breaks down even quicker than it does to set up. And again, once you've done it the first time, this tent is so easy to set up just because of the design, and it's just so versatile to take pretty much anywhere with you. Just keep it in your car and you got shade for any old day. I'll leave a link in the description for this product. Do like, share, comment below, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reviews like this.